In addition, the larger full-size LS and the Lexus ES were among the original models in the Japanese automaker's inventory when the company first launched in 1989. So it has a past, albeit in the shape of a conventional four-door sedan. But what if circumstances somewhat altered? Sugar Chow, a virtual artist better known online as Sugar Design 1, liked two things in particular: presenting his computer constructions in settings that accurately reflect the real world and, above all else, playing around with five-door station wagons and shooting brakes. The fact that he often brings up estates does not imply that he is closed off to different body types. A model may sometimes show up more than once throughout his fictitious world. We have an excellent example, so you don't have to take our word for it. In order to continue his touring the globe, Periplus, the Pixel Master CGI toyed with the notion of visualizing a Jaguar F-Type shooting brake clothed in sensible British racing green apparel. Next, he added a fancy Lexus. Thanks to its estate body type, one that is not only for four people, like the Jag, but rather for the full family. This is not the first time we have the opportunity to examine a fictitious Lexus ES station wagon that has never existed and most likely never will. But this time, the opulent home has been painted in a distinctive Hokkaido Silver shade, giving the digital notion a subtle color alteration. This color tone, which is more reminiscent of a significantly pale blue, perfectly complements the mid-size Lexus luxury image and was recently updated in the United States for the 2023 MY. Thank you for watching.